If you listen to the United States Chamber of Commerce, insurance industry lobbyists, or any number of defense attorneys, you might think that litigation finance is a somewhat sleazy back alley operation, populated only by the unscrupulous. To be sure, this is the message, either expressed or implied, when someone tries to equate litigation finance and payday lending by using the term lawsuit loan. But a recent legal profession trend belies this suggestion and demonstrates that the most elite lawyers now recognize litigation finance is a legitimate part of the legal system and can make important contributions to the pursuit of justice. The recent trend is that more and more established attorneys are leaving large, successful law firms, big law, and taking positions with litigation finance enterprises. As more investment capital flows to these enterprises, they are playing a more influential role in litigation at all levels and areas. Prominent attorneys are noticing and recognizing litigation finance as a legitimate career alternative to big firm practice. The migration of established attorneys from big firms to litigation finance is significant because such attorneys have traditionally been willing to explore only a couple of alternatives to law firm practice. Of course, there is a well-worn path from big firms to in-house counsel offices. Similarly, attorneys are often willing to leave their firms for some form of government or public service. For many years, these have been the two main exit doors for attorneys seeking alternatives to work at a large or boutique firm. Now litigation finance is emerging as door number 3. For example, a London-based litigation finance company recently opened an office in New York, and it hired 3 highly regarded associates from prestigious firms, including Arnold & Porter and Case Scholer. Another British litigation financier expanded its New York office by hiring an attorney from Proskauer Rose. American litigation finance companies have recently made hires from firms such as Paul Hastings, Latham & Watkins, Gibson Dunn, and Aiken Gump. The influx of big law attorneys means a couple of important things for litigation finance. First, highly regarded lawyers are not going to waste time or fritter away investors' dollars on specious cases. Hiring good attorneys is a sign that litigation financiers are interested in high-quality cases. Second, when a litigation finance enterprise has a direct connection to a well-regarded law firm, it has a better pipeline for cases to fund. Finally, the willingness of good young lawyers to join litigation financing companies shows that there is a solid expectation among attorneys that litigation finance is here to stay. If you need help with litigation funding, call or email me today.